Hello, so today I'm going to be solving two problems from chapter 6.7. The first problem will be evaluating the indefinite integral of hyperbolic tan of 5x. First, we're going to use the identity of hyperbolic tan of x is equal to hyperbolic sine of x over hyperbolic cosine of x. So next we'll start a u sub where u is equal to hyperbolic cosine of x, where du is equal to 5 times hyperbolic sine of 5x, and dx is equal to 1 over 5 times hyperbolic sine of x. We'll use integral substitution to go back to the hyperbolic sine of x over cosh of x, which is also u, times d of x so then these hyperbolic sines cancel. We're left with the integral of 1 over 5u. We can take out the constant 1 over 5 to get 1 over 5 times integral of 1 over u. We also know that 1 over u, the integral of 1 over u is equal to the natural log of the absolute value of u. So we're left with 1 over 5 times the natural log of u, and substituting for u, which is hyperbolic cosine of x, or actually it's of 5x. We are left with the final answer of 1 over 5 times the natural log, the absolute value of hyperbolic cosine of 5x plus a constant. Next one is a true or false. If f of x is equal to x to the power of hyperbolic sine of 5x, then f prime of x would be equal to this. So first we're going to use the exponent rule of a to b is equal to e to the power of b times the natural log of a, which will give us e to the power of hyperbolic sine of 5x times ln of x. So we'll start a u sub where u is equal to hyperbolic sine of 5x times ln of x. And we'll use the chain rule, finding the derivative of e to the u power and the derivative of hyperbolic sine of 5x times ln of x. So the derivative of e to the u power is just equal to itself. So you just e to the u power. And we'll use product rule to find the derivative for hyperbolic sine of 5x and ln of x, where f is equal to hyperbolic sine of 5x and g is equal to ln of x. So the derivative of f is equal to cosh of 5x times 5 times g plus the derivative of g, which is 1 over x, times f, which is sine of 5x, and hyperbolic sine of 5x. So next we can simplify this to 5 cosh 5x times ln of x plus hyperbolic sine 5x all over x. And to finish the chain rule, we got to multiply this by e to the power of u, where u is equal to hyperbolic sine of 5x times ln of x. So we're left with 5 times cosh of 5x times ln of x plus hyperbolic sine 5x over x times e to the power of hyperbolic sine 5x times the natural log of x. We also know that e to the power of natural log of x is just equal to x. So we're left with 5 cosh 5x times ln of x plus hyperbolic sine of 5x over x times x to the power of hyperbolic sine of 5x. And that is your final answer, which does not equal what the original problem stated. So the answer is false.